What's up YouTube, it's that bitch y'all coming at you with another video. In this video, I got a 1998 Grand Marquis, alright? We're changing the fuel pump. Now, before you think that I gotta take the whole fuel pump out and remove everything, no you do not, alright? So we're gonna replace that bad boy with this one, so stay tuned. Ambition out. Now go. And from the passenger side, you're gonna see the fuel pump right there. So on this, you wanna use an 8mm. Pop that up there. It'll be alright. I got enough room. What I'm just gonna do is take that out so I can.